Hello everyone, welcome again, and in this video we will solve example 23, and the example says that cos square 33 minus cos square 57 upon sin square 21 by 2 minus sin square 69 by 2. The value of this entire left hand side is minus under root 2, and you need to prove this. So we will try to get hints or observations. So first observation is the angles are 33, 57, 21 by 2, 69 by 2, and we do not know the values of cos and sine at these angles. So we cannot simply substitute the values and solve it. That's not gonna work. Then the second observation, what else can we do, right? So we can see that if we sum these angles, 33 degree plus 57 degree, we get 90 degree, and we sum the denominator angles, which is 69 degree and 21 degree, we get 90 degree. So somehow we get a hint of a plus b. If we sum these, then we know the value of cos 90 and sin 90. So that's the first hint. And the second hint is the denominator is sin square a minus sin square b. So what can we break this down into? I told you we can break this down into sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b, right? Because sin of a plus b into sin a minus b is sin square a minus sin square b, right? So let's see how we can solve. So the denominator we know of, we can do sin square a minus sin square b, but what about the numerator, right? There is cos square a minus cos square b. You cannot write it as cos of a minus b into cos of a plus b. Why? Because this term cos of a minus b into cos of a plus b is equals to cos square a minus sin square b, right? But here you have cos term. So what we can do, how can we break this down? So need not to worry, why not convert these both cos into sin, because we know sin square a minus sin square b, right? So I can write cos square 33 as 1 minus sin square 33 degree, and cos square 57 as 1 minus sin square theta, which is 1 minus sin square 57 degree. And the denominator I do not need to do anything because I can use formula on sin square a minus sin square b. Cool. Let's simplify. It turns out to be sin square 57 minus sin square 33 upon sin square 21 by 2 minus sin square 69 by 2. So now you can use your formula, and numerator will be sine of 90 degree into sine of 7 minus 3 4 24 degree, and denominator will be sine of a plus b, which is 90 by 2, and then sine of a minus b, so 8 4 by 2. So sine 24 got cancelled from numerator and denominator, and what we are left with, sine 90 degree upon sine 45 degree. And yes, this will be a minus because it's 21 by 2 minus 69 by 2. So we have a minus out here. So what this turns out to be, sine 90 degree 1 and minus sine 45 minus 1 by root 2, and this becomes minus root 2, and that's your answer.